Hey guys, so we do have the Xperia Z5, which I did just take receipt of, the one that you've been waiting for, as well as me, particularly if you are a true Sony fan like me. This is the device which is going to obviously put Sony back on the top of the food chain, hopefully. We just want to do a quick unboxing here of the device. My hands are actually shaking because I'm so excited about this one. It's been the one that I've been waiting for a long time, and this should definitely be a gold one as well, so hopefully we have the colour right. I don't think there's any actual seal here on the box, but I've not opened it yet, so maybe the knife is unnecessary, but I'm very excited to get this open nevertheless and see what we're getting. So we do have the slab here, and wow, this feels powerful, very powerful. We just put that to the side for a sec. I know you're not bothered about what's in the box, but this is an unboxing, and you can see we are getting a manual and startup guide, very nice. We do have a charger, but no headphones again. It's a bit stingy considering the price. I guess Sony assumes that you've got like millions of headphones lying around, but we can just put that to the side for a sec and have a look here at the main boy. Wow, so this is the device which is going to put Sony at the top of the food chain. Wow. Look at that. So you can see straight away, I can see one of the nagging issues I've had with Xperia devices has been solved here. You can see they've done away with the shiny glossy back, and we do have a matte back now, which is beautiful. We do have that fingerprint sensor as well. The device feels a little bit chunkier than previous Sony devices, but it's not like a huge chunky. We do have everything in the standard place here, with the Xperia logo. Very nice touch there to let people know what you're using. And we do have the 23 megapixel camera here on the back, which is getting some nice exposure. So let's just unpeel this beauty. This is a true trinket here. Wow, look at that. And we do have another one. Look at this. Sony, what are you doing to me? Look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. That is like absolutely beautiful. I mean, just look at the way that lens glistens in the light, and the Sony symbol. That is beautiful. Sony, you have outclassed yourself here, and you're giving me so much pleasure unboxing this. Oh, look at that. So you can see we do have the place for your micro SD. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. And I just want to do a quick little comparison with the Z3 Plus, Sony's outgoing flagship. So you can see straight away here is a little bit thicker than the Z3 Plus, but you know, that's not a huge issue really, because they fixed the main issue with the fingerprint malarkey on the back, as well as the skiddy kind of texture. You can see straight away here that is fantastic stuff. So shall I power it on? You know, shall I? Yes, we shall. Ready? Go. Oh, that was nice. Big vibrate there. And wow, white logo here. Oh, Sony, what are you doing? You're just killing it. So we do have a new boot up here, it looks like, which I've not seen before. Starting application. And we're there. So let's go through this quite quick. Congratulations on your new smartphone, Xperia. Just set the Wi-Fi here. So obviously full support for every band under the sun. And I'm just going to type my password in case you hack it wherever you are. I am now connected. Google. Don't want to Google. Can I skip this? No. Skip. 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 Protect your device. Skip. Ready to go. Sony. Oh, look at this. So let's get that bump to the max here. Wow. Get rid of this and put this to the max. See that nice bright screen here, and you can see it is quite nice and bright. We'll also get rid of this background, a bit drab if you ask me, and see what wallpapers we get. So we do have some nice ones here, a black one, gold one, green one. I think I'm going to stick with the gold one for now, because it goes with the gold trinket. And you can see, look at this. So it looks a lot kind of shall we say, more closer to stock. Like, there's not that annoying thing that comes from the left, which was aggravating. And we do have the camera here. I will be testing this out, obviously, which apparently has the best autofocus on the market. No joke, according to DxOMark. So it looks fast and fluid. And let's come out of that and see what Android we're running. So we are on 5.1.1. Very nice. Do we have any updates? Well, it looks like we're all up to date. I mean, just look at that. That looks quite nippy, if you ask me. And we do have some new kind of content here as well. So I think I'm going to leave it here for this video while I set it up and, you know, really get to grips with the device. But so far it looks like a beautiful device here, very cool at the back as well. So wow. So yeah, let me catch my breath and set up the device. I will obviously upload some more videos on the device, so do stay tuned for that. Yeah, just a quick little unboxing and first look of the Z5. Hope you enjoy, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.